back to my channel. I'm Priyanka and I do a lot of fashion related videos, lookbooks, hauls, mini reviews and a lot of other videos. Today's video is going to be a Kyoda haul. So this is pretty much, obviously, I'm sure it reminds you of Miniso, and when I saw the store it did remind me of Miniso too. Miniso is a Japanese store and it's pretty famous, everybody knows it. So Kyoda apparently, I hope I'm pronouncing that right, Kyoda apparently is a Korean based store, and some of you guys told me about this. Apparently they do have stores in other cities and countries as well. And it's in Manjira Mall in Hyderabad, Manjira Mall in Kukatpalli. I'll leave a location in the description box to the mall and you can easily Google it and find it also. So I picked up a bunch of things. So the store pretty much looked very similar from the outside, and of course when I stepped in everything looked so cute. And this one seems to be a little different. Like, I think Kyoda also has a lot of things which Miniso does have, but I think it's not like an in-house brand. I think they put together Korean products from different brands and they have it as a store. I'm not sure if they have an in-house brand because I did not see the name Kyoda in any of the products, unlike Miniso. But I'm not looking to compare them, but since already we have explored Miniso, I can't help but make a comparison. But however, I really liked a lot of things. They have a lot of cutesy things like stationery, a lot of things for kids like clay and flash mud and all those things. I'm not really sure what each of those things are used for, so you gotta look into that. And they have like really cute bags for kids, and they have a lot of amazing handbags, and they're perfect for college and even casual use. They have like nice sling bags, and they have coin purses, wallets, and they even have some accessories which looked a little Indian. Some of them were those gold-ish accessories which can be worn on western wear, and they have fuzzy slippers, those really furry soft slippers which can be worn in winter, and they're perfect. They even have the back also closes, so they'll be really cozy in this winter. And they also have some other sort of slippers, and they have like some home decor and electronics. They have really cute headphones and earphones and some other selfie sticks and all that, and a lot of stationery like books, pens and all those things. And I think you'll find a lot of things for kids here, like they have like dolls and cutesy things, and of course they have skincare, but they're not from the brand Kyoda as I mentioned. They do have a lot of skincare like Biomiracle. I mentioned Biomiracle earlier in my birthday haul. I tried their products. They're really good. And a lot of other Korean brands, I'm assuming, they do have like a lot of sheet masks and some other skincare and nail kits and even some cosmetics. Cosmetics looked a little expensive, like an eyebrow mascara looked like it was priced at 1,000 rupees, so I did not get it. And they have really cute collection of mugs. You can totally get them for office or home. They're really cute with some pineapple prints and some other designs. You have to try them out. And then there's really cute piggy bank, a little piggy bank. I wanted this for so long. Now I'm not that fascinated by it anymore, but I think throughout college, like I think throughout my graduation and later also, for a very long time I wanted a piggy bank which looked cute, like a piggy bank, little pink piggy bank is what I wanted, but never found it. So it is there if you want to get it. It is so cute. And yeah, I think that gives you a gist of the store, and now I'll just tell you guys what I got. And the prices for some of them are really affordable, like in 300-400 kind of range, and there were some which I thought were a little expensive, like 700,000, which I don't think is that worth it. So firstly I got these rose gold earphones. They look so pretty, and my Apple earphones are kind of, you know, tangled and really old and almost broken. So I got these, and these were for 422 rupees, and I'm not sure about the quality yet. I haven't opened it, but they look really pretty. And I got this hanging sort of a thing. It's like a cute dress. I think this is supposed to be for kitchen. This is for 179 rupees. It just says single hook, so it has a hook here. So if you already have a nail, you can just put it on that and you can use it to hang anything. They're available in different colors. I thought it was really cute. And then I got a pair of socks. One of it has a very cute unicorn and the other one is like black and polka dots. I did look for other options, but okay, when this one is unicorn, but it's just that black, and it has this sort of a detailing in the top. Looks really cute. And I have run out of my socks mostly, I think, and last I got was from street shopping. So these are for 215 rupees, which I think is a pretty decent price, and the quality actually seems fine and they look really cute. And then I got some skincare which looks really interesting. This one is a Fresh Vita Firming Jelly Mask, and here it says strawberry. It shows different things. It has coconut, strawberry and all that. This was for 279 rupees, which I think is a little expensive, but I was fascinated by the fact that it's a jelly mask and it looks like it has all these things. And yeah, I'm very excited to try this one. And they do have a lot of other sheet masks and different kinds of things, and everything looked very fascinating and fun. They have regular sheet masks which we already see, and they have a lot of products from Biomiracle, the facial mist, aloe vera mist, and a lot of products. I think the brand's name is SNP. I'm assuming it's a drugstore brand. And then I got this one. This one I've seen a lot. Kingirls, I think, is quite famous. I've seen some reviews and I've seen I've heard good things. And this one's for 450 rupees, which again is very expensive. But I've heard great things about this. I've read some reviews and all that. And this is in the variant Truffle and Cocoa, and this is a 3D face mask apparently, which again I'm very fascinated about. So again, I'm looking forward to using this. I think I'll review it on my Instagram, either stories or IGTV video. So that is it from me. That's what I got for myself. This is for my brother. So these are those furry slippers which you can wear at home, and they're super soft. And this one's for 446, and they're available for women as well in nice colors. And we even have ones with back covered, which looked really soft and comfortable. So I completely forgot about this. I got this really cute pen. It looks like that alien, or I'm not sure what. So this was for 75 rupees, but I got this really cute purse for my niece, and this one's for 379. This is actually a coin purse. It is not specifically for kids. It's pink and it's cute, so I got it for her. It has a really cute bow. And they do have like a lot of handbags, sling bags, and even coin purses and clutches. So I'll put some clips here, you can see them, and there's a lot of good options, but obviously I did not want to get anything for myself since I do have a lot of them. So yeah, this one's for my niece. And then I got these baby bibs which I thought were really cute. So yeah, here we go. There's a pink one and there's a blue one. I think this is for kids around 10 months old. So these are for 205 rupees each. I thought they were really cute. And there's a lot of other baby stuff and kid stuff. There's really cute stationery and all that. And they have a lot of DIY kits for kids, like clay and some other shiny jelly like textured ones. I'm not really sure where that goes and how to use them. So yeah, there's a lot of options, and there's some home decor, and even the napkins which are really cute, which we probably saw in Miniso, even those are available. Things you should check it out according to me are really cute hand clocks, like small clocks, and those coffee mugs, and some other bowls and all those things. They're really cute. And the fluffy slippers, these are on my list. These I think are the really good ones. And of course skincare, you should check out the face mask obviously. So those are all the things that I got from Kyoda. I hope this was a fun video, and I was really excited because the store looks so cute. If you are around Kukatpally, then I would definitely say go visit the store. So that's it for this video, guys. If you have any other ideas for me that you would want me to explore just like this, like some of you guys only told me about the store, so if you have anything like that, do leave them in the comments below, or DM them to me, or leave comments on my Instagram or anything. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a like, and also subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed yet. I'll leave my Instagram and other social media handles here. Do find me there as well, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.